Hi everybody, and a very warm welcome to Susannah's Kitchen, wishing you a very Merry Christmas. And thank you for choosing to click on this video. So we make everything in the Ninja Foodi here, and Christmas is no exception. Of course, I don't expect you to be making a whole Christmas dinner for like 10 people using just one Ninja Foodi, but these recipes aren't just for Christmas Day. These recipes are for the full festive season. So I've got you covered with everything from party nibbles, starters, main courses, desserts, drinks. I've got the full works going on this December, so I really hope you enjoy these videos. Don't forget to give me a like below and subscribe to my channel as well. So today's recipe is an exclusive cookbook recipe. I've got a brand new Christmas cookbook that I have just released over on my website, which is www.susannahskitchen.uk. So go over there and grab yourself a copy. Now you don't need to worry about saving this video for today's recipe because there'll be a QR code in the cookbook which will link back if you do want to watch the recipe video again. And all my recipes are super achievable and of course really delicious. So I hope you enjoyed today's Ninja Foodi recipe. Let's go and start cooking. So my favourite way to make Yorkshire puddings, whether it's in my oven or my Ninja Foodi, this is my recipe that I always go back to. So I found a little way of doing them in the Foodi that I find they get enough rise and it kind of just works in that one pot. So here I've got the rack, which comes with the Ninja Foodi, so everybody will have one of these. On top of that, I've got the crisper plate. Now this comes in the bakeware set, and with the bakeware set, you've got 3 different elements to it. This is the crisper plate, and it's just a way of me sitting on top these little mini molds here that we've got. And because these are metal, they conduct the heat better than silicone, and therefore the fat gets nice and hot, and then we get that beautiful rise on our Yorkshire puddings. So that is my reasoning to all of that. Everything is linked on my website, www.susannahskitchen.uk. So if you want to purchase anything, you can get hold of these really easily through Amazon. Right, so I've got my milk in here and I go in with my eggs. And I give those a good whisk. Yorkshire puddings in the Ninja Foodi work really, really well. So I've got my little ramekins here sitting on the crisper plate and then sitting on the rack. Obviously you could put these straight on the rack, but they might not be as stable. So that's why I've chosen to do that. I want to get the oil that I've got in each ramekin super, super hot. And the best way to do this is to put the Ninja Foodi onto grill because that is the hottest temperature that it gets to. Let's go, let's grill and heat this up so it is so hot. So when the batter hits that really smoking hot oil, we get a great big rise. Oil is super, super hot now. So go in with your batter, listen to that sizzle. Try and get them fairly even. There you go, lid down and get these onto air fry. After just 15 minutes, we get these beautiful Yorkshire puddings. Look at those. They've risen so well. Don't forget to order a copy of my Christmas cookbook. And if you liked this recipe, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.